Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's tip, put search on your site. Now, every customer and visitor that comes to your website is going to have a different set of things that they need to accomplish. They're going to have different concerns that they want to address. They're going to need different pieces of information. And there's no way you're going to be able to anticipate all of that when you're organizing your website. So, by adding search features to your website, putting a search bar where it's important, you allow the customer to take that into their own hands and actually search for the things that they care about the most. This is especially important if you do e-commerce and people need to find specific products, or if you have a blog and people are looking for specific pieces of information. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.